Fuzzy Knuckles episode. Today, as you can see behind me, it literally says slime, but I'm putting a bit of a twist on it. So here I have two scarves, and I'm going to be doing blindfolded slime, so that's going to be awesome. I've been like so excited to do this for like ages, so yeah, I'll put these two scarves on. Like the reason why I got two scarves was because like one of them, well, I could, okay, it doesn't matter. Let's get right into it. So my dad's going to help me put on the scarves, so that, okay. Look, I can't see with one of them on, but just to make sure, I'm going to get two. Like, open that one up wide. So open that one like wide up.
Hold on.
Okay. So, guys, this my blindfold is on. Yeah, I like, believe me, I can't see anything. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I made, this is my bowl. Okay. I'm making fluffy slime today. So I guess the first thing you do is get your glue. This, that feels like, oh here. Is there something in here? Okay. It's gonna take. Okay. Okay, it's coming out. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hopefully that's in the bowl. I'm happy. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so guys, please leave a comment down below and tell me what I should do in my next video because I really need some ideas. I'm running out of ideas because I'm so dumb. Okay. So yeah, so just link something down below. Oh my gosh. Okay, I feel like just glue. So I'm gonna try to make like a massive batch. I made slime before in this bowl, but yeah. Okay. I feel like that's enough. I've got some of my gloves on, so gonna try my best to get these bloody gloves on. I've got glue all over my hands. Okay. Okay, well, okay, this is really hard. Okay, this is actually really fun though. You should really try this. Okay, like in most of the videos, they say, you know what, I don't want gloves. Who cares about those bloody gloves, okay? Okay, anyway, okay, my glue's in here, I think. I don't know. Oh my gosh, okay, here. Look, hopefully. Okay, simple. Okay, that actually came out really. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my. Okay. Oh, it's a cloud. Oh my gosh. Oh damn it. Okay, I should have used a mixing tool, but I didn't. Oh, it's so cool. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna like just try to take as much of that away as I can. Okay, where is it? Here. Okay, mixing it. Okay, I can't see it. I'm just feeling. It feels like there's stuff in it. Like it literally. Okay, so far so good. So mixing that around. I feel like I should have more shading. Okay, I feel like there's some in here. Okay. Okay, well. This is like a slime top. You know what I'm going to do? Every time I make slime, I am going to do it in this top. That's such a good idea. Okay. Mixing. Okay, guys, I don't even know what the colors of food coloring is, but I'm going to try my best. Wow, okay, this is really tight. Okay, so yeah, I feel like that feels really cloudy and beautiful. Where are my food colorings? Oh, want some. I want a red, I just don't know. I feel like. Oh, I'm gonna use this one because. So, oh my gosh. This is really hard to open. I can't even open this, guys. Dad! Oh my gosh. Daddy! Sorry guys, I need my dad to open this. Oh, bloody stuff. Dad! Where's Dad? This is really... Dad! Daddy! Dad! Sorry guys. Oh, where is this? Oh my gosh. Oh, damn it. Okay, I really need to open this stuff. Dad! You know, I'm just going to wipe this on my top because I need to open this. My dad's not coming. And yeah. Daddy, I need the food colouring.
No, you're not using food colouring.
I need food colouring.
No, you're not doing it like, how much do I put in?
I need you to open it for me.
Oh, no, you're not putting it in. This thing's nuts.
Okay, but guys, my dad's going to put it in. Okay, then put some in.
Wait, chill out.
I feel like I have a spoon somewhere.
Oh my god, you are so not doing this without me. Oh my god, you're nuts. Okay, how much?
Just like a tiny bit. Okay. Oh, okay. Is it in?
Oh my gosh.
I don't even know what colour this is, guys. Is it in?
Nearly. It's dripping in.
How are you putting it in?
Wait. Nearly in.
Good?
Alright, good.
Okay, good. We'll mix it around. This is so cool.
Oh my god, don't make a mess everywhere.
Okay, so guys, this looks like this feels like really fluffy. So what I'm going to do now is get my borax solution. Oh my gosh, right, okay. I think I've got it. Okay, okay. Guys, the secret with the borax solution is...
Don't you spill that everywhere, Sierra, or I'll crack it. Hear me?
Yeah, okay guys. So I'm going to like do like my balls in there. I'll like put 2 in because I feel like I don't know what's happening, guys. Okay. Okay, so I'm just like hoping that it's forming. Oh, I can feel something in there. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna like, oh my gosh, it's good. Okay, so, okay, oh my gosh. Oh wow, okay. Okay, so, I really hope this works. Okay, you think, oh wow. Oh, I can feel stuff happening. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, yeah, okay. I feel like this is as good as my slime's gonna get. Like, I don't know, it's so... Okay, I feel like I just want to take this thing off. Okay, what the heck is happening? Oh my gosh, this is really bad. Okay, yes, yeah, I'm gonna take this off because... Oh gosh. Oh god. Ew. What is that? Ew. Okay, guys. Ew, okay, thanks. Oh my god, guys, this is, I guess it's slime, it's something. It's, yeah, it's, weird, it's something, it's something weird, it's, wow, okay. So, it's slime, I'm going to say that it's slime, I'm going to say that I did a really good job, I'm going to say lots of stuff, but I can't say them all because...
Why is my screen all white?
This is all I've been doing.
This looks weird as.
Oh my gosh.
Was it gone or what? Did you spray something in the screen?
Okay, so guys, thank you for watching my video. I actually made slime, so that's really cool. But anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, link down below, and yeah. So thanks guys for watching. Bye bye.